Alright, so this is going to be a tutorial on how to configure the grid element. So I've already made the section, row, and column, so I can click the plus inside of the column to add an element, and we can select the grid element. And so what this is going to do, it's going to make a grid layout which we can customize. You can change all of the different sizes and everything by dragging these blue areas. And then to actually add an element inside of the grid, it's the same thing. You just hover over it and click the blue plus button, and it gives you the option to enter a banner or an image. And you can check out the videos on how to configure a banner and an image in our different videos. But this is how you would configure the grid. All you would do is just set the grid. You can change the width and the height also right here in the sidebar. But you would just click the plus button and add the element that you choose, and then you can configure those settings. Alright, if you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. Thank you.